Alright guys, so I just want to make this little tutorial on how to bypass the Xbox 360's marketplace shutting down. So this is the way to do it. So Xbox Store, Microsoft Store. So you want to go on the Xbox Store on your PC or whatever device you're on. I think you can do it on a modern Xbox, I'm not sure. And you're going to want to search up an Xbox 360 game. I'm just going to do a free one. Crackdown 2. And free get. Alright. And I guess click that again when you're signed in. Get. And close. Now we have the game. You could also do this with games you already have, so let's go over the Xbox now. Alright, so on your Xbox here, you need to be connected to the internet. So on your Xbox 360, you're going to want to go to Account and Download History. And you should also see everything. And you'll see everything that you've purchased, and you can also see your new game there that you just bought. So it's like Crackdown 2, and download again. It's 3 gigabytes, 3.39 gigabytes, and just like that, it's downloading. I'm gonna cancel this one because I don't have enough storage. But yeah, that's how you can download games on the Xbox 360 in 2025. My Xbox is frozen.